Top 50 Science GK questions in English. Eye disease is caused by which metal? Answer: cadmium. In eye donation, which part of the donor's eye is utilized? Answer: cornea. Which pigment gives the leaves their green color? Answer: chlorophyll. Which gas is flushed to potato chips packets? Answer: nitrogen. Which is the largest part of alimentary canal? Answer: small intestine. The scientific study of human heart is called as? Answer: cardiology. Who discovered the first antibiotic penicillin? Answer: Alexander Fleming. Which instrument is used to measure the humidity in atmosphere? Answer: hygrometer. Which element is symbolized by K in the modern periodic table? Answer: potassium. Which female mosquito is responsible for malaria disease? Answer: Anopheles. Name the person who studied plants. Answer: botanist. Which metal has highest melting and boiling point? Answer: tungsten. Which instrument is used to locate the object located in the depth of the sea? Answer: sonar. Which toxic substance is present in tube lights? Answer: mercury. Which part of the human body is affected by pneumonia disease? Answer: lungs. What is the outermost layer of human skin called as? Answer: epidermis. Which are the most commonly used in chemicals in the artificial rain-making or cloud seeding? Answer: silver iodide, AgA. In which part of an eye a pigment is present which is responsible for brown, blue or black eyes? Answer: iris. Which gas commonly known as laughing gas? Answer: nitrous oxide. How many layers are there in our Earth's atmosphere? Answer: 5 layers. Crusting of iron is an example of which type of reaction? Answer: chemical reaction. Science best GK questions. Which acid is found in ant sting? Answer: methanoic acid. Which device converts solar energy into electrical energy? Answer: photovoltaic cell. What is the hearing capacity of a human being? Answer: 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Which scientist gave the atomic theory of matter? Answer: John Dalton. Which part of the human body is mainly affected by Alzheimer's disease? Answer: brain. Pituitary gland is located in which part of human body? Answer: brain. Which gas turns lime water milky? Answer: carbon dioxide. Which is the lightest gas present in our atmosphere? Answer: hydrogen. Which is the most poisonous gas in the world? Answer: carbon monoxide. Which rare gas is the most abundant in the Earth's crust? Answer: argon. Which substance reacts with chlorine to produce bleaching powder? Answer: slaked lime. Which gas is mainly filled in tubolite? Answer: argon and nitrogen. On what principle does work in physical balance? Answer: law of parallel forces. According to Newland, how many elements were present in nature at that time when Newland gave his law of octaves? Answer: 56. What is the effect on the surface tension of water when soap is dissolved in water? Answer: the surface tension of water will reduce. What is studied in mycology? Answer: fungus. On what principle do hydraulic brakes used in self-propelled vehicles work? Answer: Pascal's law. Which hormone controls the amount of calcium in human blood? Answer: calcitonin. Which gland controls human body temperature? Answer: hypothalamus. Which part of the human body is most affected by pneumonia? Answer: lungs. What are plants that grow in salt water called? Answer: halophytes. The enzymes found in lysosomes which have the ability to destroy protoplasm. Answer: hydrolytic enzymes. Which instrument is used to measure air pressure? Answer: anemometer. The enzyme found in saliva, which converts starch into glucose. Answer: thiolene enzyme. Which element is the best conductor of electricity? Answer: silver. Which substance is found in green henna due to which it turns red? Answer: Lawson. 1 HP is equal to how many watts? Answer: 746 watt. When lemon juice is poured on baking soda, it effervesces rapidly because the gas evolved is? Answer: carbon dioxide. Which element deficient in human body due to anemia disease? Answer: deficient of hemoglobin on blood.